Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Roshan, your teacher from Trinity International School. Today we will be learning about birds we see. ये ऐसे birds हैं जिनको हमने देखा है ना, ये birds जो है हमने जिनको देखा है, birds usually or normally we see. Okay, so say the names of these birds loudly. Now teacher is going to say the names of all these birds and you all have to repeat after me, okay? So the first one is here, pigeon. Say all of you, pigeon. The second one is here is parrot. Bolo, parrot. Third is crow. Crow. Next, sparrow. Sparrow. Fourth one is peacock. Peacock. Then there is a picture of duck. This is duck. Then you can see there is a owl. You have to say owl. Which picture is this? This is a picture of hen. This is hen. Then the last one is here, myna. Which is it? Myna. So once again we'll repeat all the names of these birds which we see. The first is pigeon. Pigeon. Next is parrot. Parrot. Next, crow. Crow. Then sparrow. Sparrow. Peacock. Say peacock. Duck. Duck. Then owl. Owl. Hen. Then myna. So now on the next page you can see match the same birds. Here we are going to match the same birds. So the first picture here is parrot. So on this next column you can see the picture of parrot. Yes. So we are going to match those same birds. This is how you are going to do it. Next you see the pigeon. So pigeon is the last. This is how you have to match it. Okay, that is your homework.